Hi, I'm Bill Church, Executive Editor of the Herald-Tribune, and in the wildly popular Coming Sunday piece that we do every week, we've got Maggie Clark, who's doing an update on a story that first published back in January, but there's a bit of a twist here. Tell us a little bit about this recent installment of the Medicaid in Florida series that you're doing.
Sure.
And what you're focusing on.
Yeah, so this is a really exciting thing that we've been working on for quite a while. Back in the reporting process for the series that we published in January, we identified a pretty big research gap, and that was we didn't really have any clear understanding of what was happening in pediatrician offices. So, in my conversations with pediatricians, it was very clear that what was happening in their offices was really kind of where the rubber was meeting the road of state policy, parent experience, kids' health, like this is really where it all happens. And we didn't know a whole lot about what was going on in those offices in any, comprehensive way other than just to interview an individual pediatrician. So I had a relationship, like a source relationship with the folks at the Georgetown University Center for Children and Families, which has an interest in Florida's Medicaid program. They've been researching the program for about 10 or 12 years or so. And so I asked them, would you be interested in filling this gap? And, this is something that I think would be really great to contribute to your research, to our research, and we could, come up with this new source of information. And they agreed. And so we were able to get support from the Community Foundation of Sarasota. And the report is coming out on Monday to the public, and we're previewing it on Sunday.
Right. Now, this is a unique partnership because not only is researchers at Georgetown, Scope's involved, the Community Foundation. As you were putting this together, what was one of the hopes of the survey?
Well, I should say too, we really just wanted to know what pediatricians were going to say and left the research up to the researchers. We said we think we might know what's going on, but the only way we as reporters can really know is to go and interview individuals. So this was kind of like, how news organizations partner with a polling firm or something to get a really broad sample of what's going on. So we wanted to know, what pediatricians are experiencing in terms of dealing with patients and also dealing with the Medicaid program. Do they get paid on time? Do program requirements hamper their ability to care for their patients? Those were some of the things that we were hearing, and we wanted to find out if that was true on a large scale.
Yeah, besides your report on Sunday and the release of the details, we've got a forum that's coming up on Tuesday. Why would readers want to read the story and also participate in the forum?
Well, the forum, we're excited to have the lead author of the report, Joan Alker, who's the executive director of the Georgetown Center for Children and Families. She's going to be with us, so she'll be kind of detailing their process and what they found. We'll also have John Annis from the Community Foundation, who will give really good perspective on why this matters for our community. Sarasota is a community with a lot of wealth and resources, but we also have a lot of low-income families that are dealing with this system day to day, and that affects our schools and our parents and our employees and just our whole community. So I think people should come because if you've been a big reader of our January series, we're going to have two of the main characters of those stories, Anya Staton, who we profiled her in the first day's story with her son Malik and their struggle to get care for his eating disorder. And then we'll also have Dr. Carol Fleener, who is the pediatrician who we spent a lot of time with and really served as a big inspiration for the series in general.
Great. Well, thank you. Maggie's being a bit modest. She's also on the panel. And if you're interested, we would really encourage you to RSVP. The phone number is 941-361-4065, according to my sticky note.
That is right,
It's 5:30 to 7 p.m. Tuesday in the community room here at the Herald-Tribune, 1741 Main Street. Of course, read Maggie's stories, follow us at heraldtribune.com, and we appreciate you, our readers, so much.